I am the Dollar Sportsman. We are sighting in the new Umarex Gauntlet, and we got a drone overhead, which is pretty sweet. Are you sure you don't want to be in a video? Hey guys. Hello. It's one of our subscribers right there. I appreciate it, man.
No problem.
All right, take some shots. Show me what you're doing.
I'm done. I'm empty.
You're empty? What?
Gotta refill. One shot left.
Okay guys, we've got our gauntlets out here. We're shooting 32 yards away at, if you can see it, that box right there, and that's what I've got my brake rotors behind. And yeah, it's going actually extremely well. His gauntlet is consistent already out of the box. We're already seeing some groupings. So it's really too soon to sight in the rifle, but it's already doing well. So go ahead and take a shot and tell me how it goes.
I am about an inch off.
1 inch, holy crap. That's amazing. How many shots have you put through that?
10.
10 shots. And we are using the cheapest of all pellets, the Premier Hollow Points Crosmans, guys. You can get this at Walmart, 500 of them for nothing. I think this cost me $7. $7! And we're already showing extreme consistency out of this thing. That is a testament, guys, to how really well these guns are built. All right, we're gonna go through.
Barely made a dent in it.
We're gonna go through 10 more shots, and we're gonna see how consistent this thing is out of the box. You hear that ring, guys? Those are brake rotors behind that box. Not to mention, you are a very good shot. And look at this, we've gone 12 shots, and we didn't even fill that all the way. We went to the line before the 3. I know it's upside down, but we've hardly gone down at all. So we're doing good. We really should have set up. We really should have set up our shot camera down there to see this grouping, but that's okay. We'll walk up to it afterwards.
Pull that one.
Yeah, that bolt is still a little sticky because it's new.
There's no kick to this.
Yeah, none whatsoever, man. How are those shots going?
Within like a 1.5 inch group so far, it seems.
Wow.
Maybe a 2.
That's impressive. And remember, we're talking brand new, out of the box accuracy, using the absolute cheapest pellets you can get from Walmart.
I think that is it.
Yeah.
One more.
One more. Send it. All right, let's go take a look.
That looks better than it did back there. I was aiming for right there.
Wow. Brand new out of the box. How much is that? That's like...
This is an inch right here.
You had to cut your fingernails.
Thanks. So that's probably what.
So this is like 1.5 to 2 inch grouping
It's
out of the box, 32 yards using the cheapest pellets. Yeah, we got one. Actually, that was shot earlier, right?
Maybe.
I think that was from a previous shot. So I think it's just these.
But a lot of them were hitting on top of each other too.
You know, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 groupings there that are on top of each other.
Original, I believe.
Holy cow. Dude. You got a crack shot over here. Man. We're Gauntlet brothers, man. Thank you for watching. 20 shots. 20 shots out of that thing. And we're doing 1.5, 2 inch groups. Ah, yeah. It's exciting. Isn't that exciting?
Yes, sir is.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back next week with some more fun. Grab yourself a gauntlet, support the channel, click the links below. I'd appreciate it. I really would. Yeah. See you next week. We're gonna shoot some more at these brake rotors. Just have fun, because that's what we do here. We have fun. That's pretty comfortable. Woohoo! Let's give it a shot. Or 2 or 60. We're in bug territory. Yes! Wow. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Yes, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. We're having fun out here. I just enjoy all of this. Because after watching these videos, I hope you do. Yeah, buddy.